Title of my idea: Ecogram, a tech enabled lifestyle model for sustainable rural prosperity. In alignment with the life mission, Ecogram is a replicable tech enabled lifestyle transformation model designed for rural and semi urban communities. It integrates traditional ecological wisdom with modern innovation to promote the sustainable habits in water use, energy waste, and food systems. The model empowers students, teachers, and villagers to adopt 5R practices. These are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover through gamified awareness, IoT based monitoring, and community challenges. It blends local culture with digital nudges to shift behavior. By focusing eco literacy, green entertainment, and community innovation hubs, Ecogram envisions a Samriddhi Bharat where prosperity and sustainability go hand in hand. Technologies and concept utilized: IoT and sensors, smart water meters, composite bin monitors, solar usage trackers, AI and data dashboards, behaves tracking, nudges, and community leaderboards, mobile age, life trackers, and gamified eco habit challenges, ATL integration, students led prototypes for energy, water, and waste solution, cultural anchoring, Telugu problems, folk songs, and ritual promoting eco values, cultural economy, compositing, grey water reuse, plastic to bricks innovation. Despite growing awareness of climatic change and environmental degradation, sustainable lifestyle practice remains limited in rural and semi-urban India due to lack of contextual education, technological access, and cultural resonant behavior change models. Communities often rely on the resources intensive habits in water usages, energy consumption, waste disposal, and food systems, leading to ecological stress and missed opportunities to green prosperity. There is an urgent need for this scalable, inclusive solution that blends local uh, ecological wisdoms, students-led innovation, and digital tools for foster environmental responsible lifestyle. Such as solution must be cultural rooted, technological enabled, and community driven, empowering the citizens, especially youth, to become the active agents to change the building a Samriddhi Bharat through life aligned habits. Causes and problems: limited environmental awareness, lack of contextual education and climatic change and ecological balance. Environmental topics often taught in that the abstract themes disconnected through daily life. Behavioral inertia, deeply ingredient habits around that is the water, energy, and waste, and resist changes. Convenience first mindset over that's the long term sustainability. Ecological gaps, minimal access to smart tools for monitoring the consumption of to promoting that's the core habits. Low digital literacy in using the apps for LOT or IoT devices for sustainable. Cultural disconnect. Sustainability of framed in the Western terms, missing local idioms, rituals, and values. Traditional ecological wisdoms like that is the tank restoration, composition, undervalued for that's the forgotten. Lack of youth engagement. Students rarely involved in the community problems solving or eco innovation. ATL and NEP opportunities not fully uh, leveraged of life alignment projects. Infrastructure deficiencies. Poor waste segregation systems, limited access to clean the energy or water save technologies. Policy practice gap. Government schemes like Swachh Bharat, Harita Hara, Haram not fully internalized as a lifestyle choice. Top down implementation without that's the grassroots owners. Effects of the problem. The first effect is environmental degradation. Second one is that's the health hazards, whereas that's the economic strains, local losses of traditional wisdom, low community resilience, educational gaps, policy underperformances. The main facing of the problems, this problem is students and youth, uh, teachers and schools, rural and that's the semi-urban communities, women and that's the homemakers, local governance bodies, environmental ecosystems.